stainless steel. Actually says it. Look, it has the plow and the Sodbuster Jr. written on there. It's pretty neat. USA 2137 SF. That's a 2025 as well. The brass liners. I got the full size and the Sodbuster yellow synthetic. I love it as well. This was my first Sodbuster Jr. I really didn't like them. I didn't like the way they looked when I seen them online and in places. But then I had one and I put one in my hands and I was like, I don't know. I just fell in love with them.